Welcome to 21421 Widgeon, a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 4-bath home located on the south end of Fort Myers Beach, Florida. I'm Melissa with TriPower Vacation Rentals. I'm so excited to show you this tour today. Enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side. Well, that concludes the tour here at 21421 Widgeon. Absolutely stunning property right here on the south end of Fort Myers Beach, Florida. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, gorgeous pool home, hot tub, and anything else you and your family would need or want to have a really great time and a really great vacation with us here at TriPower Vacation Rentals. If you're interested in booking this gorgeous property or any other place that we have to offer, visit us at TriPowerVacationRentals.com. And if you're interested in staying a little longer than just a week or two a year, visit us at C21TriPower.com for all of our real estate.